SITECH Chesapeake is part of Carter's Site Services Division. Their job is to basically bring technology solutions to the customers, whether that being drones, grading equipment, lasers, autonomous equipment, and things like that. My name is Ethan Blevins, Regional Sales Manager for SITECH Chesapeake. SITECH Chesapeake is the Trimble construction dealer. We sell site positioning systems, machine systems, drones, technology from Trimble. We do all of the technology for site contractors so that they're not setting grade stakes from surveyors in the field. They have it all right there in their hand and they know exactly what they're supposed to do. A day in the life when I was actually a sales rep not too long ago, it changed daily. It was, you may show up on a job site at 7 o'clock and be there for quite a long day. You may go to the office and be answering phone calls, helping customers get maybe the parts that they need. Looking at the week ahead, trying to plan for specialists, training, site visits. Now I'm regional sales manager, so I'm helping these guys that we have, these sales reps, actually get with the customers, understand everything that we're doing and how everything works together from a machine standpoint, the drone standpoint, and the total job perspective from beginning to end. Within SITECH Chesapeake, we have support personnel. We have actual technicians that do the installs and the maintenance on the machines. We have construction technology consultants that actually consult with our customers on their needs and their certain solutions. We have our own service department with our own service advisor, and then we've also fired up the newest addition, which is SITECH Assist. What I like most is you meet with a customer and you're talking about getting into GPS and grading technology. And they're skeptical, and once they see it and they're in the machine and it's like, I don't have to guess anymore. What I would say to anybody who's interested in a career with SITECH, if you like getting into the dirt, you like technology and like to learn new things, it's fantastic. We have great benefits. You get to see a lot out in the field. You get to see how different customers do different things. You get to learn so much.